Have you ever wondered how gizzard will taste if you cook them just in a good and fancy way? Waluya nimewafikia, hatutupi chochote hapa. Started off by boiling the gizzard since they are tough to make them soft. Once boiled, drain the remaining water, but don't pour it. We're gonna use it for the soup if you'll need soup at any point or when it starts sticking on the pan. In a pan of hot oil, add the gizzard and cook them till golden brown. Then add in your onion, followed by colored capsicum, then cover and let them soften. Once soft, you can now stir well to mix up. You see the color is coming along. Then add in your garlic and ginger paste, followed by spices of choice. I used paprika, salt, curry powder, chicken masala, and any other spice that you would love. Add in tomatoes and then cover so that the tomatoes can break down and become soft. Stir well and our meal is ready to serve. Garnish with some DHANIA and it's ready to serve with some hot ugali and some mixture of sauteed spinach and sukuma wiki. Thank you for watching. I hope Waluya mumefurahia sikutupa gizzards. I've used them. So here's a plate for you. Enjoy. For any cooking services, you can just reach out to me. I'll put my number down in the description.